Why don't you tell me about these two?
Parallel.
Or parallel.
They're the same.
They're the same equation.
Yes.
So this is I would call it the nonsense case, but you've got to understand that we have to talk about it. The case where it's two planes somewhere in space and two of them are the same plane. I could put it on there and go two planes are the same. And why do we do that? So let's go through the process and get in your brain to see what happens. So when you get a question when it's not obvious that you got the same twice, and then we're going to look at the different cases of having the same thing happen. So what are we going to do? If it didn't say what method to use, what would I do?
No.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1, 11, 2, 1, 3, 4, 4, 2, 6. What would I even do with that? But let's bother for a second. Let's go through the whole process and see what happens. Just for the sake of, I'm punishing me once. You don't have to be punished. I'm punishing me by doing it. So what are we going to do with these two? I could go through lowest common multiple. And I go, no. These two are the same equation. So if I turn that into, I'll do it again here. 3, 2, 1. What do I say?
Over.
Yeah, or we can go a half a row too. Row 3, 2, 1, 3, 4. And when we subtract row 2, take row 3. What have I got?
Row 2 takes.
You guys can't. Yeah, but I already know this. Or do you? 2, 1, 3, 4, 0, 0, 0, 0. And you know how much I nag people about? I've got a row of zeros. Row of zeros. So what do row of zeros tell us?
Infinite solutions.
Infinite solutions. Now that one's really obvious that it's infinite solutions. So guess what we're going to give you? Case of where it's
Not obvious.
What if I turn the 8 into a 9? What happens to the whole question? So what's happened to the two of them? So I could figure out what those two planes were. I could get out my graphics program and show you that they're separated. Might do that later. So they're separated by how much?
4, 5.
If I add 1 to the constant on any plane, I'm not adding to the x, not adding to the y, not adding to the z, doesn't mean it goes out 1.
No.
It's anything but out 1. If it was horizontal, vertical, in any form, or even not even all those you'd have to think about. So it comes out probably a little bit. If that was 1, it's probably come out about there, because they're moving up 1, maybe that direction. Which direction are they going? They're going out that direction, which way are they going? So see how much there is to understand on this topic? You have to understand all of that? No. We end up with that being a 9. We end up with that being a 4.5. Did yucky on purpose. And that ends up being a, and in this case, row 2 minus
-1/2, sorry.
-1/2. So if we get any number here, any number, which letter are people going to use for it? Want to have a guess? A lot of people use K. So 0, 0, 0, something. So it's a row of zeros almost with something. What does that tell us? Say it. Come on. One more time, Mr. Ash.
Inconsistent.
Yeah. No solutions. And I'll write down that it is inconsistent. So now we're going to apply that over and over again. Row of zeros, infinite. Row of zeros with a number. I want you to see there's two planes slightly apart, no solutions.